Hello and welcome to Workshop Studios. Today's project is right there. We're going to be replacing our attic stairs. They are a good 35 to 37 years old and they were already contractor's grade, we'll call them. And they've been creaking and groaning for years, and it's time to get something new up there. So follow us as we get these attic stairs up there. So I got a Louisville ladder, attic ladder, that is the right opening size and everything, at least it's supposed to be. And I was also looking for a good load carrying capacity. I figure that's going to make them stronger. So this one's 375 pounds. And here they are out of the box. And there's the instructions. So you know what's next. I better read up on it and see what it takes. But in this case, we're going to need two people. So I'm going to have one of my sons join me, who's a good, strong, strapping young man, so he can help me get those stairs up there. Like I said, these have been creaking and groaning for years, and I actually put this together as a support that goes underneath that third step of the ladder. And it does keep them more steady. It means that this joint doesn't get pushed back when you step on the whole thing, because that's not very good. And so I'll put those under there, but I'll also show you what it looks like up there. Yeah, so there's what it looks like underneath. So let me climb up these, and you can hear them creaking and groaning as I go up. I have to go slowly, but can you hear that creaking and groaning? Oh boy. All right, so here we are up in the attic. Let me get up top and I'll show you. So this is how these work. So here I'm sitting at the top. This board here is the attic stairs. This is part of the house. So you can see this board goes all the way around. And that's the unit, in essence, that's been attached. And in this case, it's attached with 4 nails, one there, one here, and one under where I'm sitting here. So getting it down, you could say it's pretty simple. I just got to get those 4 nails out. But the real trick is, how do I get this thing so that it doesn't come crashing down? I've got a couple ideas on that. They recommend putting a couple of boards underneath it that are screwed to these floor joists, if you might, or ceiling rafters, whichever direction you're looking at them. So screwed on from underneath, and then the new stairs ladder, if you might, lays down in here. So after you get the boards in there, then the new ladder can lay down on top of this, and you attach it nice and safely. It sounds like a good idea. I think it means that I've got to get those stairs up here and then go downstairs, put those boards on. Well, I'm not sure how we're going to do it. I have to think about that so that this thing doesn't come crashing down. So I think that it probably comes down to the fact that one of us, 2 people, is downstairs and one of us is up here. And we just need to figure out how to get that all done. So the other thing I was looking at is a way to hold on to this so I can lift it out of here. This is a very awkward place to be. Obviously, you can fall down this hole pretty easily. So one thing I'm thinking is I've got a rope pulley set up, kind of a hand winch, if you might, that I was going to attach up here, and then it would hang down, and then I could basically attach this unit to that winch, lift it out nice and carefully, put the new one in, and then attach it, and that should hopefully work for us. But let me do some reading and I'll show you what I come up with. So in preparation of installing the new stairs, I'm up here in the attic now. I'm replacing the nails that were in there. That's these guys here, these nails, with those decking screws or drywall screws or whatever you call them, construction screws. And that makes it a lot easier to get this unscrewed rather than having to pull nails out. Tomorrow is when I'm going to have the crew here helping me. So right now it's just pulling those out. And the other thing I was going to show you is that to lift things up in here, I've installed a little piece of lumber up here with a hook on it. And that's hanging almost directly over this hole like in the center of it. And then I'm going to use my pulley system here. There it is right there, to be able to control these, so I can lift it up out of the hole once we get it loosened up and put it off to one side, which we're going to have to figure out, and then lift the new one into place in a very controlled fashion. One other thing, the instructions that came with this, for the most part, we're talking about it as a new install for these stairs, like if you were building a house. But for retrofitting, it was a little bit less precise. So I'm sort of making up some of this as I go along. And it seems reasonable enough so far. I also brought a collection of shims, because when they did this in the original install, they just stuck these regular, I'd call them roofing shims in there, not very well done. So I've brought longer pieces that might operate as good shims as well. And that'll give a much better structure around the edge. So these might be able to go at either end. And anyhow, I have a collection of them over here, and that should help in the install as well. So now, this is taking the old stairs out. So we're taking out the last of the screws on this. With the pulley is up there attached to the stairs. You can see it right there. And the stairs are now hooked together with a ratchet strap. And so now we're going to take those screws out. At this point now, there's probably 1 or 2 screws holding everything up there. Yeah. All right, there's the stairs down. And, oh, yeah, hello there. And they're over here. And it worked mostly the way we said. There were a few extra nails in there that we didn't see, so they had to get cut off. But all's well that ends well. So next is to run these guys up, and then we'll get those in place. I'm going to put the weight on there. Yep. Watch out for your eyes. That's it. So we come over here to see what they're doing, lower it down in there. There you go. Good.
Free.
Down comes the new stairs. Looking good. Yeah, that did it. Yep. Good.
That looks flat.
Okay. So this one, there you go.
Right there.
Now, let me come down a smidge. Right there. Right there. So if you put the screws in there, that'll be pretty dang close. Are you all solid enough for us to try pulling the stairs down?
I was just thinking that.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna detach the.
Here we go. Big moment.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! Whoa! Let's see. I'm trying to think of how we would. Does it still look all right? Can I keep pulling?
Yeah, you can pull all the way down.
Okay. Now the stairs. They're going to be too long. Yep. Knew that. I can say what I need is for it to be that much more. So they want these on. Well, those are. So what they're saying is D and E on here. You can let those go again, because I'm going to have to do. Let's see what 10 does for me. So you're filming, so when I come down in a big heap, you can see me coming down?
Yep, go and keep filming.
Okay, here we go. Big test.
It's working!
No creaking, no groaning.
Yay!
Drum roll, let's make sure it closes. And by the way, when I do this, you guys are locked in there forever now.
Bye!
It closes! So here's what it looks like from up top. Is these are the lag bolts going in here and here and down at the end there. And then this is the shimming they're talking about. So that piece of wood there has been put into that gap. There's the gap over there. And so now it's trying to get that shimmed correctly. And another important part of this is to have the distance from here to there be the same as the distance from there to there, because the door will not fit if it's off a little bit. So I'm going to try to adjust that as well, get that all sorted out. So we're making progress. You might ask, what am I going to do with this big old thing? Well, in my case, I'm going to go ahead and disassemble it, take all the springs off, and take all these little nuts and bolts off of here. You can see all that stuff. That'll make disposing of it a lot easier because it'll be in smaller pieces. Well, after carefully removing the springs and a bunch of hardware, here comes the first one, and it lifts right off of there. Oops. So that one's moves right off of there. And then I can take these out. They have a nut on either side, and then they'll come apart, and it'll just get down to a little pile of sticks. So I'll keep going on it here. All right, ready to install these new newel posts, if you might. I think I'm going to put one right there, and then I'm going to run a handrail over here, kind of like that. Sorry, kind of up in there someplace. So first I'll do is screw this one in, and then I'll put that handrail on there. All right, so there they are, both installed with the little handrail that comes down. Good and solid. I put some right angles on there to help strengthen them up a bit. They were a bit wobbly. So with that, and I put some leftover carpet down. It had been piled up over there. So I just spread it out and put it there so it's easier when you come up here. You can usually come up on your hands and knees, and having a little carpet to crawl on is better than that old wood. Added a couple of pieces of wood back there for a little more storage. Not that we want any more storage, but there it is if we need it. All right, you know what that means. It's time for painting. All right, that's the first coat, and it'll be a little while drying. Sorry, my voice is a little croaky. I've just gotten over a cold and flu. Dribbled more than I wanted, but ceilings are always like that. That's what drop cloths are for. So we'll keep going here. All right, so here come the stairs. Oh, goodness. There we go. And then we pull them down. Try and do this one-handed here without bashing my head in. And down they go. And here we go up the stairs. Yep, there we go. And here it is with the new handrails and the carpet. Take a shot from up top. So there we go. All done. All right, well, that's how you put attic stairs in. And these are some mods that we designed to make it a little safer to go up and down. There's the stairs down there if you didn't notice. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video. Bye.